Welcome to my channel. I will share you how to make double braid headband like this. It's very beautiful and cute. I hope you like it. And if you want to know it, let's get started. The materials are t-shirt or old t-shirt, clip, safety pin, thread and needle, also straight pin, scissor, elastic. The first step, we take a t-shirt and now we are going to cut from this corner until this corner. The width is about 2 centimeter or 3 centimeter, like this. Yeah. Okay. You cut. You need 2. Okay, you cut twice, and also you cut the fabric like this. The weight of 8 centimeter and the length of 25 centimeter. Also, you prepare the elastic. This is the length of 16 centimeter. Okay. After you cut, you straight or pull like this. Okay. You need to and start to embroidery. This. You take a straight pin and you skewer with the straight pin. Step by step. Insert here. Insert. Like this. And you take out this one. Like this. Insert. And here. this one, and this one you out from here. Okay, take the straight pin and like this. Take this fabric, you fold in half, skewer, and you start sewing from here. Keep sewing to here. After sewing, you turn out the fabric like this. Yeah, inside out the fabric. And now take elastic, give the safety pin, and skewer with a straight pin. And start sewing from here to here. Then you insert you cover like this and start sewing from here to here. Like this. Okay, and do the same process the other side. Also you sew. Okay, and like this. And double braid headband has been done. Thank you. Bye bye.